Hi guys, welcome to WanShooStudio. So today we are going to work on our core. There will be some balancing and then followed by some dynamic movements. And also we will start with stretching before and after the practice. So if you don't work on your core very often, this is a good place to start. And anytime before you start your dynamic movements, it's good that you adjust yourself so that you come to a position that you can hold for long. So enjoy, and don't forget, if you like my channel, to share and subscribe. Let's start! So let's start in the tabletop position with your toes tucked in and then your shoulder above your wrist and then your hips above your knees. So come to a neutral spine position and we'll warm up the spine before we do some core work. So we'll do a few rounds of cat-cows, 3 rounds. Inhale, expand your chest, concave, look up. Exhale, round your back. Inhale, look up. Exhale, round your back. Inhale, expand your chest. And exhale, round your back. So now come back into the neutral position. So to train our core, we'll first start with some balancing. So raise your right hand and your left leg. Doesn't matter if your hips doesn't level, it's not level. So just look to the front. You can point your toes. So tuck in your belly. So now we'll have some dynamic movement. 10 times of crunching. So bring your knees to your elbow. Exhale. Round your back. Inhale. 9 more times. Exhale. Knees to nose. 3. Elbow to knees. Exhale, elbow to knees. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, about that. On the 10 times, we'll just hold 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now release your hands and your legs. So now, come to a neutral spine position. So we'll raise our left hand, our right leg. Alright, point your toes. Breathe in, tuck in your belly. Engage your legs. As you exhale, bring your elbow to knees. 1. Exhale. 2. 3. 4. 5. 5 more. 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, hold it here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release your hands and your legs. Now you may circle your hips to one side and the other side. Slowly, we'll come to our elbow, your arms. So you may form a triangle shape by interlocking your fingers. And then bring your legs to the back, tuck in, and come into half plank with your knees up. So we'll hold it here for a while. So tuck in your belly, pull down your tailbone, bring your shoulder away from your ears, and breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release your knees. So now we'll do another set. So we'll be raising our right, then our left leg. So now come up to half plank. Okay. Come into the position, tucking your belly, engage your core. Now raise your right leg a few inches away. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. You may place your knees down or you can continue. Now let's move on to the left side. Raise your left leg. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now release. Place your knees down. Stretch out into child's pose. Now slowly come up. You may roll your shoulder back and then to the front. Okay, now we'll continue. So we'll be working on our core, side body. So now what you do is that come into plank and then slowly bring your right hand pointing forwards, but elbow still on the floor, and then try to adjust so your shoulder and your elbow is in line. So come up into a half side plank. Okay? So now, if you can, raise your arm to the side. Keep on lifting your side body and breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly, with control, place your side body down. Rest for a while, and we'll continue with some movements. So now, slowly raise your side body up. Okay? And now we are going to tread our left hand under our armpit. 1. Take your time. 2, 3. We'll do 10 times. You'll get there. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We'll hold it there. 10, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come up. Release. So you will feel you're working on your glutes as well, on your right hips as well. So now move on to the other side. So same. Come up into half plank. Then slowly move your body to the left and bring your left hand pointing forward to half plank. And we'll hold it here. If you can, raise your hands up. Keep lifting your side body and bring your shoulder away from your ears. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come down. So we'll continue with the dynamic movement. So slowly bring yourself up. Come up. And now we'll tread our right hand under our armpit. So 1, exhale, inhale, 2, 3, 4, keep lifting, 5, you're halfway, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold it there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. Shake it out. So don't worry. So now we'll do some stretches before we continue. Bring your legs to the front, the palms pointing forward. Roll your shoulder back, leave your chest, and look to the back. So you may drop your head to the side, on top of your shoulder, just massage. Okay, come back to the center, look to the front, and release. Now slowly, we'll continue with the last set. Slowly bring yourself down the mat. Bend your knees, hip width distance apart. Your feet away from your buttocks. Okay, so now lift it up. Bring your knees together and your heels touching. Above, parallel to the floor, to the mat. And slowly, what we'll do is that we'll lift our upper body, keeping your keeping your belly down on the floor, glued to the floor, and then you may place your hands behind your head, interlaced. As you twist to the right, straighten your left leg, and come back to the center, and then straighten your right leg, twist to the left, come back to the center. So we'll do 10 rounds. So this one is 1 round. So let's continue with 9 sets. 1, 2, 3, lift up, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's the bonus round. Lift up. Slowly bring yourself down. Bring your legs to the mat and relax. So we'll do some stretches before we end the session. So now slowly bring your legs on top of your right leg, on top of your left knee, and then bring your legs towards your chest into figure 4. We'll stretch our thighs. We'll work a lot today on your core and your legs and your arms. Slowly release, and then come to the other side. Bring your legs towards your chest. Breathe, enjoy the stretch. And now we'll do some twisting. So just drop your leg to the right side and look towards the left. Slowly come up to the center. Bring your leg to the left and look towards the right. Center. Slowly straighten your legs. Bring your hands above your head and stretch. Breathe in, expand your chest, and breathe out. Release. We'll do one more time. Inhale. And exhale. Now slowly roll yourself to the left side and come up. So we'll stretch towards the left. So raise your left hand and bend towards your left. Good stretch after the workout. Slowly bring yourself up. And now raise your right hand, bend towards the left. Stretch out. Now bring both of your hands up. Bring it to your heart center. Namaste. So I hope you enjoyed this core session with me. Any comments, let me know. So if you want harder version, just let me know. And if you like my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day.